Orange Peel Face Mask. Get clear, glowing and spotless skin. Naturally. Has your skin lost its glow? Are dark spots and pigmentation making it look dull? Today, I'll share a powerful DIY orange peel face mask that will make your skin instantly bright and spotless. Plus, I'll reveal some secret beauty tips to help you achieve naturally fair and glowing skin. So, watch till the end. Remedy number 1. Orange Peel Glow Mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons orange peel powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey. How to apply: 1. Mix all the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Apply this mask evenly on your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Once it starts to dry, gently massage and rinse with water. Benefits: instantly glowing and fresh skin, removes dark spots, pigmentation, and tanning, deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Remedy number 2. Orange peel and graham flour. Base Sun Tan Removal Mask. If your skin looks dull and tanned, this mask is a game changer. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon graham flour, Base Sun, 2 tablespoons rose water. How to apply: 1. Mix all ingredients into a thick paste. Apply it to your face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes, then gently massage while washing it off. Benefits: brighter skin tone in just 1 use, removes dead skin and tan, leaves your skin soft and oil-free. Remedy number 3. Orange Peel and Aloe Vera Anti-Aging Pack. This mask is perfect for fine lines and wrinkles. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil from a capsule. How to apply: 1. Mix all ingredients into a creamy paste. Apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Wash it off with normal water. Benefits: reduces fine lines and wrinkles, tightens skin and makes it youthful, works like a natural Botox. Bonus: tips for glowing skin. 1. Drinking a glass of fresh orange juice daily makes your skin glow naturally. 2. Mix orange peel powder with multani mitti and use it as a scrub. Your skin will become baby soft. 3. Use an orange peel toner at night. It helps reduce acne and pores. If you loved these natural beauty tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more DIY remedies, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.